Art in harmony with nature is our way of maintaining things as they should be. It's making sure that everything is healthy and stays vibrant. When you walk on a Scott Byron site, you can tell there's a difference. It's the attention to detail, from the way we prune the boxwood hedges to the bed edge lines. Everything is perfectly straight and manicured and nothing's out of place.
The art in harmony with nature, to me, it means getting the client's shoes so we can have the same vision, dream it with them. Whatever they put on our table, we can create it.
I think of it as just those little details that make the whole picture come together. Those little details mean everything to the whole piece.
I remember watching shrubs be pruned by hand for the first time with a string, and actually using a level to make sure that everything was exact, and the amount of care and precision that took really blew me away.
It takes an eye, it takes knowledge and experience to be able to prune a boxwood hedge, to bring out the natural beauty in a shrub. You have to have an artistic eye in order to be able to do those things.
The Scott Byron standards, one thing that they make us unique is the details. We are a detail company, so the guys really focus on every little move that they do it with passion.
Maintenance is special because we can take something that's a little average and make it extraordinary. Every week we can make it a little bit better. It's the attention to the details of pulling those weeds or pruning something just so that it makes everything perfect.
I like to treat my clients as if they were friends or family. Because if I was getting a service for myself, I would want to feel comfortable with that person, and I would want to know that they are going to take care of me.
Everybody comes together. Everybody's so happy to work together.
The culture of the company, working with people there, and feel like you at home.
Our clients rave about us, which is above and beyond. It's not just going the extra mile, but it's exceeding all of their expectations.
There is a natural beauty in every plant, every flower, every structure that we put in a garden for a client. And it's up to our crew to keep it beautiful, to make it thrive, to have it come and live to its full potential.